बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में,
बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में,
बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में,
बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में।
अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ,
अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ,
अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ,
अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ,
नैया हमारी पार लगाओ,
नैया हमारी पार लगाओ,
नैया हमारी पार लगाओ,
नैया हमारी पार लगाओ।
बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में,
बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में,
अंतर ज्योति जगा दो स्वामी,
अंतर ज्योति जगा दो स्वामी,
अंतर ज्योति जगा दो साई,
अंतर ज्योति जगा दो साई,
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई,
पार लगाओ,
नैया हमारी पार लगाओ,
नैया हमारी पार लगाओ।
बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में,
बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में,
अंतर ज्योति जगा दो स्वामी,
अंतर ज्योति जगा दो स्वामी।
अंतर ज्योति जगा।
Jai Sainath. Today we have come, our Sai Bijli team, Deepak and I have come with all our team for a Mumbai tour of all the Sai Baba's devotee. And first we have come to Dr. Anna Sahib Keshav Gavankar, and this is the photo of Sai Baba. It is one of the rarest Sai Baba photo, and it has a beautiful story behind it. So once Dr. Anna Sahib Gavankar was at his clinic, regular days sitting at his clinic, and Mr. Kamble, whose family makes Ganpati, Lalba Ganpati's statue idol, he came and he got this frame for Dr. Anna Sahib Gavankar, and Anna Sahib Gavankar refused to take it. Although he persisted that Baba himself had come to his dream and asked him to gift it to Dr. Anna Sahib Gavankar, and that is the point he was ready to accept it. So this is especially Baba has gifted Anna Sahib Gavankar this photo frame. It's a very beautiful photo frame. You can take a close look at it as well. This is the photo of Dr. Anna Sahib Gavankar, and every Sai devotee should read the 3 books that he has written by Baba's grace. It is actually Baba himself has written this book, especially Shirdiche Sai Baba. This book, he was sleeping, and that time Baba woke him up, and he has asked him to get up and write a book. So almost that book has been told by Sai Baba, and he has written it. So that is a must to read a book for all the Sai Baba devotees. And another book is Shiladi, that is also a must read. And then Sai Baba has ek chamatkar. Section of Baba's kafni that he has given him when he was very young. You can see the kafni of Baba. There are many patchworks done here, and it is you can see all over he has stitched his kafni. Again and again you can see Baba has stitched his kafni, and especially Baba used to do his own work by himself. So all this work is done by himself only. You can have a closer look if you want. You can see everywhere he has stitched his kafni. Here also near his pockets also he has stitched it. So Baba used to live a very simple life. So Baba used to have simple living and high thinking. So, Dr. Annasaheb Gavankar, when he was very young, he fell very ill. And at that time, no medication, no operation, nobody, everybody gave up. So at that time, they prayed to Baba that if I get out of, like his aunt prayed for him, that if he gets out of this illness, then we'll come to Shirdi and we will give you 5 kilos of pedas. So this is in the year 1918 where Baba was there in human body. So after he became well by Baba's blessing, they came to Shirdi and they went to take Baba's darshan. So at that time, looking at them, Baba called them towards them and said that these people have kept me hungry. Where are my pedas? And when they gave the pedas, he relished it and obviously distributed it among other devotees too. Then they had some conversation. Baba asked 2 dakshinas from Dr. Annasaheb Gavankar and he readily gave it, and they were Shraddha and Saburi. After that, Baba, what the kafni that he was wearing, he removed that kafni. Imagine the fortunate Dr. Annasaheb Gavankar, he got that kafni as Baba's biggest blessing, I think. He got that, he received it, and this is the kafni that we are seeing right now. So he gave that to him, and since he was too little, too young to understand the grandiosity of receiving such huge blessing, Shama at that point said that I'll take care of this kafni till he becomes old enough to understand how to take care of it. And then it was kept with Shama till then, and later it was again given to Dr. Annasaheb Gavankar when he came back to Shirdi when he was much older. So now we are taking darshan of Ganesh ji. Now this Ganesh ji, there is a story, beautiful story behind this as well. Dr. Annasaheb Gavankar's Sadguru is definitely our beloved Sai Baba. But after when Annasaheb had a fortune of meeting him, he was very little, he was very young. But later on, to have a Sadeha Guru, according to Baba's wishes only, he met his Sadeha Sadguru, Bhausaheb Samant, and he, according to his instruction, he worshipped a tree near their Kurla residence for 21 years. He was instructed to worship for 21 years, and he was told that after worshipping it for 21 years, you will get darshan of Ganesh ji. And after that, this beautiful Ganesh idol has emerged from that tree. So you can take darshan. So you can also take darshan of Baba's kafni and Ganesh ji and the photo gifted by Sai Baba to Dr. Annasaheb Gavankar. It is here in Mumbai only, in Mulund. So you can also come and take Baba's darshan. Jai Sai Nath. Take care.